Hello everyone, welcome back to the Essential SQL series. From this video onwards, we are going to learn about how to get data from more than one table. So the first concept we'll be learning is union and union all. Now, as the name suggests, union basically outputs the data in an append format wherein, let's say if you want to fetch data from two tables, the data for table 1 will be followed by the data for table 2, one above the other, not side by side. Let's first understand about the differences or similarities between union and union all. First thing, to combine rows from two or more queries into a single result set, we use union operator. If you use only the keyword union, it eliminates duplicate rows, whereas union all operator does not, which means duplicates are there when you use union all. Next, the number of columns in all the queries in the union has to be the same and also need to have compatible data types. The output data set will have the column name based on the first most query. We can use group by and having clauses in union and can be used in each individual select statement. However, the order by will be applied only to the output data set after all the data is appended. Let's take a look at the syntax and how it works. So in this Venn diagram, you can see when you use union, let's say table 1 has rows 1, 2, 3 and table 2 has 2, 3, 4. When you use union, after removing the duplicates for 2 and 3, it will give 4 rows as output. However, when you use union all, you will see that 1, 2, 3 and 2, 3, 4 will all come in the output. So that would be 6 rows. Let's take a look at the syntax now. It will be like select list 1. So basically list 1 is nothing but set of columns from table name, union select list 2 from table 2. So the list 1 and list 2, the number of columns needs to be the same. Each column has to be of compatible or same data type in the same order. And finally, the column names that are declared in the first select statement will be the output column names. The only difference between the syntax for union and union all is the keyword all. So as soon as you use the word all, there will be duplicates. The execution time for union will be slightly higher because it will remove all the duplicates from the output. Now let's take a look at this in practice. Here what I'm doing is from the employees table I'm fetching state and country, union select billing state billing country from invoices. Now you can see the column names are different, however the order is the same and the data type will be the same. So the output of this will look like this. It is 42 rows. For each country state combination there will be one row. Now let's take a look at union all. Please note here we have 42 rows, but however when we execute union all you have 420 rows, which means all the rows are fetched as the output and the duplicates are not removed. As you can see, so many duplicates on the screen. Apart from that, this keyword all the syntax is just the same. I suggest you practice this one also because this is again a useful concept. That's it for the video. Keep learning. Thank you.